know I had to do this mix right. Why is this world so unfair? Some things don't really make sense. Like, why do good people suffer? Some bad people live longer. Yeah, check it. It's been long since she passed. I remember when she was here. Time went by real fast, treating all her kids like some prince. We were never last, but we all have to go someday, right? Yeah, it's sad, but it's true. Not everyone gets to breathe Monday through Sunday, but Mom, I know that one day I'll be looking you in the face, smiling, reflecting Jesus shining. In heaven no one's crying, cause no more peeps is dying. But in this world, a lot of things don't make sense. Suffering and pain got people feeling tense. I remember ever since you were young, Mom, you had it rough, but still you always stayed tough. Full of anguish on the inside while laughing on the outside. If only I could talk to you again, I'd be wondering, hugging you and asking how you did it, how you didn't give up all exhausted. I wouldn't blame you if you had. After all, you also grew up bad, being poor with an abusive stepdad. Later on in your life, you immigrated to the States so your kids could have it great. If you only knew your fate, time of death, no one knows their date, but that's just how it goes. Am I right? Call it circle of life. Some are rich, some are poor, some are low, others high. Some win, some lose, some live and some die. I miss you more. Why is this world so unfair? Some things don't really make sense. Like, why do good people suffer? Some bad people live longer. Tell me why. Why is this world so unfair? I don't know. Some things don't really make sense. Like, why do good people suffer? Some bad people live longer. Hey, yeah, verse 2, I'm doing this for you. If you're wondering for who, I love you, little girl, like a baby when you curled up. A lot of things have changed in your life, how couldn't they? If a lot of times you strived, left without a mom when you were only 7 years old. That was pivotal, and you didn't go cold, but your life it sure has mold. I wish I would have known the future back then. Maybe I would have been different, out the streets, off the drugs, so I could be responsible instead of learning gang signs. Thinking I'm a thug, I should have took good care of you. What was past is the past, ain't no use in holding on. Now I gotta stay strong for you and Mom. Yeah, I'm gonna rectify my wrongs. This isn't just a song, it'd be meaningless unless I'm really gonna pull through with this. Not just act like I care whenever I'm feeling depressed. I'm really gonna look out for you, cause girl, I really love you. Is this world so unfair? Some things don't really make sense. Tell me why. Like, why do good people suffer? And some bad people live longer. Why is this world so unfair? Some things don't really make sense. Like, why do good people suffer? And some bad people live longer. Yeah, a shout out to my brother and my big sis. I guess I'm reminiscing. Why can't we just get along? We quit talking for so long. I'm sorry when I'm wrong. Blood is thicker than water, so I heard. But none of us is nerds, so we don't fit in with the herd. Flying different directions like a bird. I love you anyway. Okay, I'm thanking God for another day and everyone who's ever helped me when I was locked. Lesbia was there, was feeling lonely in myself. Rachel wrote a letter. I needed a job about my background. Rico and Florida didn't care, and when I had nowhere else to live, thanks a lot, and Gloria and never. Why is this world so unfair? Some things don't really make sense. Like, why do good people suffer? And some bad people live longer. Now, why is this world so unfair? Some things don't really make sense. Why is this Some things don't really make sense. I'll always love you, Mother. I'll always miss you, Mother. I'll always miss you, Mom.